Back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Instagram. So basically in today's class we are going to talk about the mobile version of Instagram, how it works, and basically try it out and work with this amazing application. So pretty simple. First of all, what exactly is Instagram on mobile? So basically Instagram on mobile is the mobile version of Instagram. What we did in the past two classes, we talked about the desktop version and we talked about Instagram in general. But basically, I hope you guys downloaded this version on basically mobile because it's mostly a mobile application. So as I said in the past few classes, we created your account. You should be, basically you should be comfortable with using Instagram. You should know how everything works. Now what we're going to do is simply try it out and really working on Instagram for mobile and talking about different functionalities that Instagram for business on mobile gives you. So pretty simple. First of all, it's way easier to use. It has more business functionalities. It offers different possibilities to create shoppable pictures and many other things. So what I want to talk about today is really basically, it's first of all the functionalities in general, but also talking about things that are specific for the business account on Instagram. So this is exactly what we're going to do today. So pretty simple. We'll just get access to our Instagram page. So here we go. So basically here we have our Instagram account, which is Marco Givoni. Basically this is the account that we worked with in the past few classes. As you can see, all the pictures are there. If we go on the main page, we are going to see the same stories right here. And everything works pretty fine. So basically you guys should know how everything works until now. So as you can see here, we can have different buttons that appear right there. So as you can see, there are plenty of buttons here. So basically we can have our shop right there. We can edit our profile. We can make promotions. We can have our insights, and we can even send addresses to a certain email address that we can add. Basically here we have our stories. Here is pretty much the same thing as the desktop version. The only difference is, for example, I can have different products that I offer for sale. So here are some products. So for example, a hoodie, here I have a t-shirt and many other things. And finally, some, here on the last thing is basically everybody who tagged my account in the picture will appear right there. All right, so as I said, what I want to talk about today is basically what offers me what exactly will offer me the mobile version of the business of a business account on Instagram. So it will offer me different insights and it will offer me different really interesting things. So first of all, I'm able to have a shop. So what I need to do is basically link, here my this store that is just a demo store works on Shopify. So basically it has been created on Shopify. And what I did is I simply linked my store with Instagram, but you can do this with any website that you guys want. Basically what you need to do is simply to verify your website with Instagram. And from that moment, you can post pictures and simply add products that you guys want to sell. So this way, let's say, for example, someone clicks on this picture and likes the t-shirt. So what they can do, they can simply click on the t-shirt, and what they will see the price of the t-shirt, they click on it, and they will be redirected to the website in question. Same thing for basically those things right here. So this one. So as you can see, I can't promote those things because there is a product involved. But what happens, it's once there is a product involved, so you're selling a product on your picture, you can't promote it. But if, for example, I take this picture right here, there is no products on it, so I can promote it right now. So I can simply click on promote it and it will be promoted. Another thing that we have right there will be basically promotion. So basically I can promote my store. So it's pretty much the same thing as the button that you saw down there. So basically I will have right here my past promotions and different really interesting things. So I can re-promote my t-shirt right now. Besides of that, here I have my website. So as you saw, and last thing, the insights. So basically, as you can see here, since it's a demo account, there is not that much things on it. But let's check out what offers us, basically what offers us what type of statistics it offers us. So first of all, for the posts, I'm able to see the reach of each and every post. So right now there is no posts, but it's pretty much each time that you post something, you will be able to see the reach of each of your posts. Same thing for the stories. So basically each time that you reach an account, you'll be able to have access to it. Here you will have a followers breakdown. So basically what that means, it means how much followers followed you, how much unfollowed you. So as I said, this is just a demo account. So basically there is 3 people that, well, overall 4 people unfollowed me, 1 person followed the account. So it's well, the end result is -3. Here I'm able to see from where are coming the people that are on my account. So basically they're coming from Santiago, Sao Paulo, and different countries, well, different cities. And I'm able to see it's from where exactly. I can even put it in countries right now. So here, now it's in cities. So basically I know that 17% of everybody on my account are from the United States, 8% from Brazil, India, etc. So basically there are plenty of other countries. The age, well, the age range, I'm able to see that the majority of people that are visiting my profile are between 25 and 34. So once again, this is pretty interesting. I know that the majority are men, and there is 37% of women. So basically I can have, well, I'm able to see that the majority of my consumers or people who are visiting my account are mostly men. And I'm also able to see when those people are active. So basically those people are mostly active. Well, I'm able to see that there is a lot of activity, and the majority of the activity happens at, well, basically right here, so 12 p.m., which is pretty interesting. So here it's on Wednesday. I'm able to see other days, so I'm able to put it in days. So here, Wednesday, I'm able to see in this way the most active days of the week. So basically based on this data, I know that Sunday is the less active day of the week, and that Tuesday was the most active day of the week. So basically based on this data. And once again, this is just on the last 7 days. I can check it out on the last 30 days. And once again, since it's a demo account, there is not that much things going on it. So this is pretty interesting. So basically those are the insights that you guys can have. Basically some other things that it offers you. So here, for example, I have my insights. I'm able to promote posts and different stories. So basically, let's say, for example, I create a story and I want to share it, so I can do it. So here is an example. So this is a picture that I used as a post. So basically I'm able to share those pictures or promote them, and basically promote my brand with those pictures that I already uploaded. I can manage products on stores. So basically right now, to be able to do this, you need to have a store on your product, on your Instagram account. If you have a store that is linked to your Instagram account, or you create a store for your Instagram account, you will be able to do so. I can do plenty of other things, such as offer food orders or sell gift cards, and it's all automatic. So basically with Square, for example, or any other partner, which is, in my opinion, pretty cool, because once again, there is not a lot of people that know all those features with Instagram, which is pretty interesting. So as you can see, those are the different tools that Instagram for Business offers you. So as I said, one really, well, in my opinion, one really interesting thing that it offers is the opportunity to shop directly on pictures. So basically someone gets, sees the picture, clicks on it, and it will be able to simply click on the picture and check it out. So as you can see, it works with this picture as well. The only problem is that I can't necessarily promote this picture once I have added a product to it. So it's still pretty cool in my opinion. And once again, there is a lot of things that you guys can do besides of that with Instagram for Business. But as I said, the most important thing is really having access to different features. The majority of those features, as I said, are the shop, and basically being able to shop directly on pictures and different insights that Instagram offers. So right now you saw what those insights look like, and you will be able to use them for your account, and be able to promote your account with those elements, or simply use those insights and the shoppable pictures to be able to not only promote it, but basically make it more efficient and sell directly your products on that Instagram account. which in my opinion could work pretty well if you know your consumer. And in this case, you'll be able to drive pretty interesting sales. So that's it for us class, guys, and see you all in our next class.